In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to regenerate Elementor CSS. If you've been working with Elementor on your WordPress site and noticed that your changes aren't updating as they should, regenerating your CSS files can often solve this issue. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now by entering your username and password. Once you're in the dashboard, looking over to the left-hand menu, find the section labeled Elementor. This is where we're going to start. When you hover your cursor over this Elementor label, you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. Go ahead and click on the one that says Tools. This will take us to the Elementor Tools page, where we can access various settings and actions that are crucial for maintaining and optimizing your Elementor experience. Now that we're on the Elementor Tools page, you'll see a few tabs at the top. What you're going to do next is click on the General tab. In some versions or setups, you might see this as the Clear Files and Data section, so be aware of this slight variation. This is a handy area where you can perform actions that help in cleaning up or resetting certain aspects of your Elementor setup. On this page, keep an eye out for a button that says Clear Files and Data. In some cases, this might be labeled as Regenerate CSS and Data, so don't worry if you see that instead. It serves the same function. Click this button. What this step does is it clears out old CSS files and data, which might be causing your styling to not reflect changes you've made. By doing this, you're essentially telling Elementor to start fresh with its styling sheets. After clicking the button to clear the files and data, remember the changes don't automatically save until you refresh them. Scroll up to the top of your page and confirm or save changes, or simply update the page. This step triggers Elementor to regenerate its CSS files based on the latest settings you've made to your site. Once you've gone through these steps, your Elementor CSS files will be regenerated. These actions ensure that any modifications you've made to your design settings are accurately reflected on the front end of your site. Now check your website to see if the issues you were experiencing have resolved. This process should help your Elementor designs and changes appear exactly as you intended. And that's it. You've successfully regenerated your Elementor CSS. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you notice issues with your site's styling. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on optimizing your WordPress site with Elementor.